Welcome to Guide Glimpse channel. Pocket Option offers an AI trading feature designed to assist users by automating trade decisions based on market analysis. This tool aims to simplify trading for those who prefer automation over manual strategy development. However, it's important to note that this AI feature is not a fully autonomous trading bot. Rather, it functions as a supportive tool that provides suggestions and signals to aid users in making informed decisions. The platform's marketing emphasizes ease of use, claiming that even beginners can leverage AI to potentially improve their trading outcomes. Despite its intentions, Pocket Options AI trading feature has faced criticism and skepticism within the trading community. Some users here in Reddit have reported negative experiences, including issues with withdrawals and alleged account manipulations. These complaints highlight the risks associated with online trading platforms, especially those offering automated tools. While AI can assist with data analysis and pattern recognition, it cannot guarantee profits, and users may experience losses if they rely solely on the system without understanding market dynamics. Another important factor to consider is regulation. Pocket Option is not licensed by top-tier financial authorities, which raises concerns about the platform's oversight and accountability. Lack of regulation means that users have limited protection if issues arise, such as disputes over funds or platform malfunctions. This is particularly relevant for new traders who may be more vulnerable to high-risk decisions based on automated recommendations. The effectiveness of Pocket Options AI trading largely depends on the user's involvement and understanding of trading strategies. While the AI can identify trends and suggest trades, users still need to make judgment calls and manage risks responsibly. Relying entirely on automated tools without proper knowledge or risk management can lead to significant financial losses. It's crucial to treat AI as an aid rather than a replacement for education and experience in trading. In conclusion, Pocket Options AI trading feature is real and functional, but its reliability and profitability are subjects of debate. The tool can be helpful or useful for analyzing market trends and providing trade suggestions, but it does not guarantee success, and users should approach it with caution. Potential traders should conduct thorough research, understanding the risks involved, and consider the platform's regulatory status before committing funds. As with any investment or trading tool, informed decision making, risk management, and skepticism toward overly optimistic claims are essential. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.